Hello, welcome to the class. In today's class, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own personal shield. Let me quickly put my own on before we start. Let me quickly do that. Okay. Yes, I hope it is balanced. Yeah. So I'm going to be taking you through all the steps to create this by yourself. And I'm very sure that you will enjoy this class. I have a special assignment for you at the end of this class. Make sure you take your time, you watch this video, and then you watch this video again and again. I'm very sure that you will enjoy this class. So I'll be right back with all the steps you need to create this. I'll be right back. Welcome back. So let's talk about all the materials we need to create our personal face shield. So the first material is our cardboard. Just get your cardboard. This is my own cardboard, and there are different types of cardboard out there. You can make use of your cardboard. You can even make use of any thick paper, maybe the back of your book and more. They can be used for this. So the next one, you will need a pair of scissors. Just get the scissors, especially the one that can accommodate the whole of your finger. And another one you need is your stapler. With your stapler, you don't need any gum except you want to do some design. With your stapler, you can also get something done around this. So the next one I'm going to be needing is this spiral band, transparent spiral band. So this is a spiral band, the front cover of our spiral band, and this is the one, this is the front cover, and it is the transparent one. You can get this to buy around you, and if mommy and daddy have some document at home that they have this at the front of it, you can easily remove it and do some work around this. So I'll be right back with all the steps for us to now create this. Thank you and welcome once again. Welcome back. So I have all my material needed. So this is my scissors again, my spiral band, my stapler, and the paper I am going to be using. So I have about 4 colors here, and I'm going to be using 2 colors out of this. So what am I going to do right now? The first thing I'm going to do is to work on my spiral band cover. So how do I go about this? Don't want it to. Okay, so I'm going to fold this into 2. Remember, don't press this side down. Don't press it down. Just leave it. Okay, let me bring it down so that I'll be able to see it. Yep. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to cut this side to be curved. Going to cut it to be curved. So look at how I cut this now. Because I fold it into 2, it is going to be like this at the end of the day. So cut this side curve, cut the other side curve, but I did not cut it one after the other. I fold it into 2 to do that. So if it is not straight enough, just like this part now is not straight enough, so I cut it out, and I cut the other part also out. So this is what I'm going to be using. Let me place this down. So the next thing I'm going to be working on now is my paper, the one I'm going to use as the holder and more. So I have let me make use of blue. So this is my blue color. Make sure your paper is long enough to cover the whole of your head, so that you'll be able to make use of it immediately. So I'm going to cut this in form of curve. Okay, let me place it well so that you see how my cutting is going to go. So I'm going to cut this in form of curve curve. Maybe I'm going to teach you how to do cutting soon. Curve, curve. I'm making it big curve, small curve, big curve, small curve, big curve, small curve, big curve. So this is what I cut out, like cloud. So I cut this out one. Let me cut another one again so that it will be thick enough. So let me use this time orange. So my orange again, I'm going to cut the same thing, but this time is going to be smaller. Please use scissors for this. Don't use cutter, because cutter may be dangerous in terms of safety. So make sure you also have an adult around you also while doing this cutting, so that they can guide you. So I have this as my, so I'm going to place them on each other, then I will staple them. Staple 1, staple 2, staple 3, staple the last one. Then after my stapling now, the next thing I'm going to do is to place my spiral band at the front of it. After placing it at the front of it, then I staple 1 again, 2, I think 3 is okay. Then after this, I will make it in form of circle. Then with this now, I'll just staple it to staple it down. So this is how I produce my own face shield, and I'm very sure it's looking like a cap. And you can make use of different colors. You can add sequins, you can add bead, you can add so many things to it, and you can also advance to make use of different types of materials apart from paper. So I'd like you to give this a try, and send me your own picture of how you produce this, and I will like to get that as soon as possible. So thank you very much for participating in this class. I really appreciate. Thank you very much.